everyone, happy Saturday. We are spending the afternoon today from 1 to 3 at 109 Berkshire Drive in St. Thomas Point. This is our newest listing. It is listed at $699 and it is a 4-bedroom home. It's elevated. It was custom built in 1999. It has been recently updated to have all new modern finishes. It's adorable. It has awesome storage underneath, 2-car garage. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a tour while we're here. A little bit about the neighborhood before I go in. This neighborhood is unique. It has a deep water dock that you can dock your boat at after being on the water. It has a boat ramp to the Wando River. It has tennis courts, a play park. Lots of the neighbors in here have golf carts. They golf cart around. It is a gated neighborhood. So I'm going to turn around and give you guys a tour. So right now I'm standing on the front porch. So there is the entrance right there. That's the gate, the gated neighborhood entrance. And then you are on over a 1/3 acre on this corner lot right here. And then you have a beautiful front porch that wraps partially around. So this house has a really cool foyer area that I love. They decorated it so great. Tall ceilings, staircase right here, and then it opens to the living room. It has a fireplace. And then I love this space because it's open enough, but it also gives you a really cool defined dining room as well. You've got this opening into the kitchen, so if you're entertaining, it makes it super easy. Again, here's this beautiful dining room space. And then you also have the bar where you can hang out for seating there. They just put in all new appliances. A really, really nice wine fridge is in there. And then this sunroom is right off the kitchen. So great for hanging out. Here is where your elevator comes up from under the garage or in the garage. And then they just added on also this really great deck. So you can come out here, grill, and then you also have the stairs down so you can, walk down and enjoy your yard. Really great wooded buffer as well, so you're not like right on top of your neighbors. And this lawn is probably one of the prettiest lawns and well kept I've ever seen. And then on this first floor, you have the downstairs master that they just redid the entire bathroom. So here's your master's suite. Big walk-in closet, really, really pretty tile. Double vanities, the soaking tub, and then this shower is just, I don't even know if this video does it justice of how beautiful and big this the space is in here. And then on this level as well, you also have a half bath, which is good for when you have guests over. They've got really, really pretty wallpaper in here that we love. And then laundry room right here. You've got the sink. Nice big space in here right off the front porch. So we will go upstairs. Upstairs you have another master suite, the 2 guest bedrooms, full bathroom. So here's the baby's nursery. Full bathroom. Guest bedroom. And then the upstairs master as well. And you've got a shower and bath combo in here. So master down, master up, gives you lots of options, especially with the elevator that goes to that main level. So what I'm gonna do is head downstairs, all the way downstairs, and show you guys underneath the house. So we can go down from the main level. So this is super cool. You've got finished space all right off your garage. They're using it right now as a playroom, but it is, you know, heated and cooled space. So you could use this for an office, turn it into a gym, keep it as a playroom, you know, turn it into another bedroom, not a closet, whatever you would utilize it for. But it is right on the main level, which is, right on the garage level, which is nice to have a finished space down there. You've got some storage in here, and then your entire 2-car garage. That golf cart will convey with a ratified contract by the end of September. So bring your offer and get your golf cart. Here's the utility room and half bathroom. Just nice to have on the level if you're outside or working in here. You also have a great workshop in this space. That door goes to the patio, and then this door is the elevator that goes up to the main level. So that is pretty much it. I'm gonna show you this one other thing. So you have so much storage in here for kayaks, bikes, kids stuff. I mean, whatever you can think of, you've got the storage in here for it, which is great. And then through here, the previous owners had this as like a gated off dog run area for their dogs, but obviously, you know, you could use this for whatever you would like, more storage, but they're the gates that they had. And then this just takes you to the backyard. They have an invisible fence for their dog that's already installed. They also have an irrigation system and a sprinkler system for the entire yard. So you've got tons of room out here. Like a little oasis. 2018 they did a new roof and new 5-ton AC unit. Also new garage door motors in 2018. So a lot of work done here, lots of upgrades, and then you've got this, you know, huge driveway that leads to the 2-car garage. So there's your full tour. Come see me. I will be here from 1 to 3. And if you can't make it today, let me know. I'm more than happy to meet you here anytime this week and golf cart you down to the amenities so you can see those as well. And I hope you guys have a great weekend.